Welcome to today's quick and easy guide on how to make your photo story private on Facebook Web, right from your PC. If you've noticed the new update and wondered how to control who can view your stories, stay with me. I'll walk you through every step clearly and simply. First, open your preferred browser and go to the Facebook website. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage. Right at the top, you'll see the option to create a story. Click on it. Next, choose Create a Photo Story. This option lets you upload a picture instead of a text or music story. Once you've clicked it, select the photo you want to use from your computer and click Open. You'll now see your photo appear in the story editor. Here, you can crop and rotate your image to get the perfect look. Take a moment to adjust it just the way you like. On the left-hand side, there's a box where you can write your text. Type in your caption, add any quotes or thoughts you want, and then choose the font that fits your style. Now, here's the most important part, making your story private. Look for the gear icon near the bottom of the story window. Click it to open the settings menu. You'll see different options for who can view your story. To keep it private, select Friends. This ensures that only the people you've added as friends on Facebook will be able to see your story. Once you've chosen that, click Save to apply the setting. After that, you're ready to share. Review your story one last time, then click Share to Story. Facebook will post it for your selected audience, and now only your friends can view it. That's it. You've just created a photo story and made it private using the latest Facebook web update.